wanted to make sure I was going to get the position of the lash. So it's kind of weird. Just that you have to make sure that you're applying it. It's hard to explain, but make sure you're doing it right.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. So in today's video, we will be trying out these cluster lashes that I received from my friends over at Lilac Street. Their lashes are 100% vegan, no animal cruelty. They allow you to achieve a look as if you have on a full strip of lashes without a visible strip. They're very lightweight and flexible. These give me the vibe of individual lashes, but they won't take as much time as applying each individual lash. So it states that these lashes can be worn for up to 5 days, and this is in between applications. These are reusable. All you have to do is clean off any excess glue that may be visible and reapply them. So it also states that these can be slept in. These are shower and water resistant. I mean, come on, like, guys, go ahead and hit that link down in the description below. You cannot go wrong with that. So being someone that does not wear lashes on a regular basis, I am definitely going to do a wear test to let you guys know what was my experience wearing these lashes, sleeping in them, showering, exercising, all of that good stuff. So definitely be sure to check the pinned comment down below for my results wearing these lashes over a course of a few days. So the lashes come between 8mm and 18mm. The first pair are called Feather, and these are in 12mm. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This is what these look like. Super cute. The next pair are called Prism, and these are in 10mm. Prisms seem to be a little, like, I would say that these are a little short, of course, because of the 10mm, but these seem to be a little more subtle than the last ones. And the last pair is called Volume, and these are in 12mm. And these right here don't come to play. Do you hear me? All these lashes are so cute. Like, I literally do not know which ones to choose. So for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to go with the Feather lashes. So these are, again, Feather. These are in 12mm. And they did also send me their Pro Lash Glue in black. Let me show you guys the wand or the applicator. It's just very flat, thin, yeah. They also sent me a lash tool, which is this baby right here. So cute. It just says Lilac Street right there. I'm going to get a little closer. I want you guys to see what I mean by the clusters. This is considered a cluster. I have already done my left eye. If you guys can tell, hopefully you can see a difference. I can. I think it looks really cute. And I did put them underneath. Like I said previously, I usually apply them on top, but these feel very comfortable. I don't feel it at all. It was so easy to apply. So now I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This has been disrespectful. It's that time, so yeah. But let's go ahead and go with this one. And you do apply the glue underneath. It's just a small mascara wand. So I'm going to try to do it in the viewfinder. I have a mirror here and here, so I apologize if I'm not looking in the camera, but it's a little bit easier. So, got that done. Let's give it a quick second, let it get tacky. I also want to mention, I said it came with 5 clusters per eye. I'll use 4 on this, and there is still one more left, as you can see there. So, and it looks fine. I felt like that was enough. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same for this eye. Alright guys, so that's it. Tell me what you guys think. I did apply them underneath. Yes, they feel very comfortable. It was very easy too. I thought it was going to be hard, but it's actually easier than applying the full strip because you can do it piece by piece. Okay, and like I said, I only used the 4 clusters. So I do have 1 left on each side. So I did not use these. And with this, you don't have to worry about cutting that lash. You can go ahead and apply it as you see fit. So yes, like I said, this is very comfortable. Again, I will let you guys know how many days it lasted. Coming from someone who don't know what they're doing, who don't usually wear this. And yeah, so we'll see. And so you know what's next? The glasses test. So let's see. And I mean, what? I don't, like, it's not rubbing at all. Like, literally at all. So I love that as well. This may be my new go-to. So yes, I love the way it makes my eyes look. It just gives you that extra little, you know. So thank you again to my friends over at Lilac Street. These are super cute, comfortable, and affordable. They retail for about $7. You cannot beat that for something that you can wear for multiple days at a time and reuse them. The ones I have on are the feather, and these are the 12mm. And again, I will let you guys see they're not too long. I feel like they're work friendly, like overall everyday friendly. So yes, what you guys think, let me know down below. Also, don't forget to hit that link down in the description below. I will also leave you guys a code so that you can get money off of your purchase. Go ahead and pick some of these cluster lashes up. It will change the game, I'm telling you. So yes, I love these so much. So you guys will definitely be seeing a lot more of these. And again, be sure to check that pinned comment down below to see how long these lasted for me, how many days I was able to wear them, if I needed to reapply any glue. I'll have all the details down below for you guys. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or if you liked it. Also, leave me a comment down below to let me know if you've tried any cluster lashes before. If you've heard of them, what do you think? Let me know. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Quick side note, if that button is red, then you are not subscribed. And I mean, like, why not? So go ahead and hit that button. Also, be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I do upload weekly here on this channel, and I will see you guys next week.